In my opinion, the most impactful thing we've done in the co-op so far is clinical trial invites. With these medical data that our members are donating, we've been able to send 70% of the people in our co-op clinical trial invites. That's in a 18-month time frame, 16-month time frame. I know that seems like, oh, how many is that, right? I have one person who's received 3. She reached out to us and said, oh my God, I've never got 3 clinical trial invites before. So these clinical trials aren't necessarily with their cardiologist or their hospital. These are nationwide. They may or may not be exact matches, but we are matching on a high level, say disease and age, maybe another factor depending on the study, and letting them reach out to these study teams to determine if they are a good fit and if they want to participate. They don't have to wait until they have their next doctor visit to hear about something like that. And we haven't seen anyone doing this before, and the feedback has been phenomenal for people actually hearing more about research, and we're going to keep doing this. And then another cool thing I said, we're going to let you know about these clinical trial opportunities, things like that. There's some cool functionality in this tool we collect the data with, like messaging preferences. My email is a black hole. Emma's shaking her head like, oh yeah, Clint doesn't respond to email. It's a mess, right? But you can select that you can get this sent to a text message. And I think that's probably preferred for a lot of us if it's important, right? So there's some really cool features that we've built in for people who are members of the co-op as well.